Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the SpareBank 1 app not updating. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable because updates require a strong network connection. Next, restart your phone and open the App Store again. Then, try updating. Make sure your device has enough storage space. Head over to your app settings app, then go to General and then iPhone storage and make sure that your phone has enough storage space. If your storage is full, the update may fail to install, so try clearing some storage before you try to update the app. On Android, you can also clear the Google Play Store cache by going through settings, apps, selecting Play Store, tapping storage and clearing cache. This often fixes update issues. If the update still does not work, uninstall the app and reinstall it to the latest version from the official App Store or Play Store. Now that's how you fix the SpareBank 1 app not updating. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple guides. That's how